Good morning, my lovely children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, let's start our day with the name of Almighty Allah. So, get ready for the recitation. Say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. First kalma tayyib. Tayyib means purity. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet of Allah. Dua of safety. Fallahu khairun hafizum wa huwa arhamur rahimin. Dua of knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, advance me in knowledge. Ameen summa ameen. Children, today is Monday. What's the day today? Monday. And the date is 14th September 2020. What's the date? 14th September 2020. Children, now you can enjoy the morning rhyme.
Shoulders up and down, stretch your arms and turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Yeah.
Children, this is English time. Let's sing the song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Next time won't you sing with me? Children, today we will learn a new letter A. Which letter? Letter A. But first of all, let me tell you the difference between A and A. When we will pronounce letter A, we will say softly A. And when we will pronounce letter A, we will stretch our lips and say A. Stretch your lips, children, and say A. 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 Now again stretch your lips and say A. A. Now say softly A. A. Now say A. Stretch your lips and say A. Very good. That's very nice. Now let's learn about the friends of letter A. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. A. Eagle. A. Earth. Earth is our planet. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. Elephant is a big animal. A. Egg. A. Egg. Egg is very good for our health. A. Elbow. A. Elbow. A. Ear. A. Ear. A. Eye. A. Eye. Children, now I will tell you that how you will write letter A on your worksheets. Let's have a look. Children, first of all, you will trace your name like this. As I am tracing my name, you will trace your own name. Yes. After writing your name, you will trace the date. Date is 1/4/14. 9 is for the September because September is the 9th month of the year. 2020 is the year. Now children, look here how you will write letter A. First you will trace this one. And then you will write here letter A. You will put pencil on the dot. You will make a left curve like this. After this, you will make a dash line. Letter A. Which letter is this? A. Again, put pencil on the dot. Go up. Make a left curve. And then a dash line here. This is letter A. Children, you are not supposed to write letter A like this. It will be wrong and you will not get star. If you want to get star, then you will write it very nicely. Put pencil on the dot. Carefully make a left curve. And then again put pencil on the dot here and make a dash line. Letter A. Letter A. This is letter A. Now children, you will match the friends of letter A. Apple is friend of letter A? No, it's friend of letter A. Egg is friend of letter A? Yes, egg is friend of letter A. We will match it. Like this, learning is fun. A. Eyes. Eyes are the friends of letter A, so we will match. Like this. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. We will match letter A with A. Envelope. That's all for now, children. You will learn at home and you will do more practice. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.